So today I am going to show you how to cook potato stuffed paratha. So let's look at the ingredients. This is potato already boiled and peeled, and cilantro, ginger, onion, and a little bit of green chili, and this is salt, pepper, coriander, dry coriander, and the black pepper. So I'm going to mash the potato, maybe with the spoon, and then I'm going to mix onion, chili, ginger, and then cilantro or coriander, and here is salt and pepper. So now I'm going to mix it. So here the potato stuffing is ready. So now I am going to stuff it in the dough. So here I am dipping my finger in the dry flour and going to make a small ball and going to flatten it with the roller pin. Little bit more dry flour, and here it goes. So I will put little bit of this is olive oil in it like this, and then spread it and put the stuffing in here. And now I'm going to close this and again make a ball. So again I'm going to make a roti from this here. So now I have flattened the roti and it's ready, but if you can see there's material in the roti, that's fine. And now I also make sure that tawa is hot enough to cook the roti. So now I'm going to put this on my hot plate. And it will take couple of minutes, and then I will flip it. Now the paratha is ready. From this side the color has changed, so I'm going to flip this. See, it's cooked from the other side. So now I will wait couple of minutes again to let it cook from the other side too. So now I will make sure that it's cooked from the other side. Yes, it's ready. So I'm going to flip this again. And again wait for a couple of minutes. Now the paratha is ready. See, yes, this is ready. So I will take it on the plate, and this is olive oil, and here it goes. I will put like this, and now the roti is ready.